Dear students, in the last video we solved exercise 5A in that first one and second one. Today we will solve exercise 5A in that third one, simplified. Let me tell you that you all have studied addition and subtraction, but now in simplify we will study addition and subtraction together. So always remember that when addition and subtraction is done together, it is known as simplification. Now just remember that the sign is always before a number, not after a number. So the sign of this number, can you all see any sign here? No, there is no sign here. So always remember that when no sign here, it is always plus sign. Now, for this 2424 is of the plus sign, 1783 is of the minus sign, 7128 is of the plus sign, 863 is of the minus sign, 64 is of the minus sign. So, in this question, we will do it stepwise. So, first what we have to do? We have to write plus sign numbers one side. After that, we have to write minus sign numbers. So, 2424 plus 7128 minus 1783 minus 863 minus 64. In the first step, we have to add 2424 and 7128. So first I will write 2424. So 4, 2, 4, 2. Next I will write 7128. So 8, 2, 1, 7. Now I will start addition from ones place. 4 plus 8 is how much? 4 plus 8 is 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 7 is 9. So the answer is 9552. 9552. Next, write remaining numbers as it is. Minus 1783 minus 863 minus 64. In the second step, we have to subtract 1783 from 9552. So first we should write 9552. So 2, 5, 5, 9. Next I will write 1783. So 3, 8, 7, 1. Next I will start subtraction from ones place. 2 minus 3 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 5. If we borrow from 5, then 5 becomes 4 and here 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is how much? 12 minus 3 is 9. 4 minus 8 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 5. If we borrow from 5, then 5 becomes 4 and here 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is how much? 14 minus 8 is 6. 4 minus 7 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 9. If we borrow from 9, then 9 becomes 8 and here 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is how much? 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7769. 7769. Write remaining numbers as it is, minus 863 minus 64. In the third step, we have to subtract 863 from 7769. So first we should write 7769. So 9, 6, 7, 7. Next we should write 863. 3, 6, 8. Now I will start subtraction from ones place. 9 minus 3 is how much? 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 8 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 7. If we borrow from 7, then 7 becomes 6 and here 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is how much? 17 minus 8 is 9, and write 6 as it is. So the answer is 6906. After that, write remaining numbers as it is. In the fourth step, we have to subtract 64 from 6906. So first we should write 6906. So 6096 minus 64. So 4, 6. 6 minus 4 is how much? 6 minus 4 is 2. 0 minus 6 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 9. If you borrow from 9, then 9 becomes 8 and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, and write 8 as it is and write 6 as it is. So the answer is 6842. Let's solve B1. Here also first we have to write all plus sign numbers one side and minus sign numbers one side. Is equal to 17,040 plus 8,948 plus 11,440 minus 11,714 minus 20,374. Next, what we have to do? In first step, we have to add 17,040 plus 8,948 plus 11,440. So first we should write 17,040. 0, 4, 0, 7, 1. Next we should write 8,948. 8, 4, 9, 8. Next we should write 11,440. So 0, 4, 4, 1, 1. Next I will start addition from ones place. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So I will write 4 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So I will write 7 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 37,428. 37,428. And write remaining numbers as it is, minus 11,714 minus 20,374. 74. In second step, we have to subtract 11,714 from 37,428. So first we should write 37,428. So 8, 2, 4, 7, 3. Next we should write 11,714. So 4, 1, 7, 1, 1. 8 minus 4 is how much? 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 7 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 7. If we borrow from 7, then 7 becomes 6 and here 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 25,714. And write remaining numbers as it is. The remaining number is 20,374. In the third step, we have to subtract 20,374 from 25,714. So first we should write 25,714. So 4, 1, 7, 5, 2. Next we should write 20,374. So 4, 7, 3, 0, 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 7 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 7. If you borrow from 7, then 7 becomes 6 and here 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is 5,340. Today's homework: solve C1 in your notebook.